Good morning, dear students. Hope you are doing well. Students, do you remember how many marks did you score in your previous exam? Or if you remember the percentage of your marks in your previous exam, then have you set some target, some goal for your next year? Why am I asking this thing? That your goal statement, your mission should always be very clear in front of you if you want to achieve something in your life. What happens that otherwise our time drains away and we don't know where. All the persons, those who have achieved great heights in this life, they had only 24 hours. The only thing is that how they could attain great heights, how they could achieve something in their life. The reason behind this is that they could manage their time well. What happens that if we don't have any goal statement, then we keep doing useless things which have no meaning in our life, which will take us nowhere. For example, think any of the successful persons from any time of the history, even present time, and then do a case study sort of thing. For example, Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, or anybody else, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Do you think that these persons wasted their time in the things like making TikTok videos and doing chats on WhatsApp, late night chats on Facebook, coming on Facebook Live, having selfies, right? These persons do not waste their time in any sort of such entertaining activities which will lead you nothing, which will lead you nowhere. It will give you nothing. So the definition is very simple, that anything that is taking you away from your goal statement is a wastage of time. Always be focused, and you can be focused only at one point, and if that point is not fixed, if that point is not clear, then you cannot focus anywhere. I told you right now that anything that takes you away from the goal statement is a wastage. But you can be aware that this thing is taking me away from my goal statement only if you have a goal statement. And you can have a goal statement only if you have a goal. Everybody, you ask any of your friends, everybody wants to achieve success in life. Everybody wants to achieve name, fame, and acquire money, wealth. People want to become rich like Mukesh Ambani. But the problem is that our aspiration is high, but our inspiration is low. Our aspiration is high and our inspiration is low. We try to become a person like Mukesh Ambani, but by our deeds, our activities, they are telling a boy who is moving in the street with no aim, our activities match the activities of a rickshaw puller. He also makes TikTok videos. He also chats on WhatsApp. So if our aspiration is Mukesh Ambani and our activities are of a rickshaw puller, then there is a big gap between these 2 points, and there is no match between the 2 points. So therefore, students, match your activities with your aspiration, and then only you can achieve something great in your life. Have a goal and then create a goal statement for you. That should be your inspiring line, and then only you can achieve something great in your life, and that is the key by which you can always be moving ahead and onwards and will be reaching the pinnacle of success. Thank you and have a nice day. All the best.